Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Corsair Dark Core mouse. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first need to do is turn off the mouse by sliding the power switch on the bottom on to the off position. Then press and hold the forward and back side buttons. They are located on the left side of the mouse. While holding the side button, switch the power back to on. Then from there, release the side buttons after a few seconds. What this does, this process will reset the mouse internal settings. If the reset doesn't resolve the issue, we might need to update the firmware. So ensure your mouse firmware is up to date using Corsair's iCUE software, and you might need to repair the mouse as well. So if you're experiencing connectivity issues, you might need to repair the mouse with its wireless receiver through iCUE. Now, if the problem persists after these steps, I'd recommend to contact Corsair's support for further assistance. And you can just pretty much go to corsair.com, go to contact and let them know that you're having issues resetting the Corsair Dark Core mouse.